If you want to record sounds on Xiaomi 17, then in that case you want to go to the app drawer and search for the recorder app. It should be pre-installed on your phone. Once you open it, we can use this button that we have at the bottom of the screen, this circle over here. Of course, we need to grant all the necessary permissions to be able to record ourselves. And as you can see now, we are recording. You can also see that we have the AI speech recognition. So everything you say out loud is immediately converted into a text or your speech. We also have the speaker detector, so whenever there are multiple speakers in the recording, then they should be separated and you should be able to, of course, go through them later on once the recording is done. We can also choose the language that should be used. I believe it is automatically detected, but in case it is the wrong language, then of course we can tap over here and we can change it. Also, we have this camera icon in here that allows you to even take pictures while recording yourself, so that's pretty cool. Of course, we can pause the recording at any point or stop it completely. Here at the top, we have the mark options. You can create marks if needed. So let's stop the recording, and then it's going to save. Over here, we have the recording. We can tap on it. Of course, we can grant all the necessary permissions again. And there we go. It starts playing immediately. We can see the transcription. There's also the information about transcribing. We can also tap to refresh the transcription. We can generate the summary. We can enhance the voice. So over here we have this option, enhance voice. There we go, which is easily enabled just by tapping on this small button. We can show the voice print instead if you're looking for it. And here we have our marks. So if we go into here, we should be able to add marks. Can we check the marks actually? I believe we should be able to do so. There we go. Here in the upper right corner, we can tap on the three dots in order to find marks. So there we go. So we can keep adding more marks apparently. And besides that, we can see that we have the renaming option. We can transcribe again. We can share our recording and delete it completely. Now, if we go to the text, then over here, we can also find the AI summary. So we can see the subject, the content of the recording, and so on and so forth. Here, if we tap on this icon over here, where we have like two languages or something, we should be able to choose a language, and then we should be able to translate the summary, I believe. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Yeah, there we go. Now the summary has been translated. And we can also see that the transcription also is being translated. So over here, if you scroll down, we can see the translation, of course. As the recording goes, we can see the highlight, which is the part of the speech that is being said on the recording in a given moment. So I believe that is pretty much all that I wanted to show you. Leave a like and subscribe.